Hello guys, it's Max here from Daily Market Movements, and in front of me we have the gold over the US dollar chart. Today we've been under pressure. We were briefly trading below the 200-day EMA, and we did peak at our lowest point just before the US markets opened at roughly $1770. But since then we have pared our losses ever so slightly, and we're trading pretty much on the 200-day EMA, currently trading at 1779. So we're just below 1780. But I look at this and the chart kind of tells me that the 200-day EMA is still offering support in this market. And this is an area where I'm willing to buy. I did buy previously at 1800 last week, due to 1800 being a large psychological number. And that was an area where I expected the buyers to hop back in, but no, we've gone and really tested the 200-day EMA. It's very important that we have a daily close above the 200-day EMA going into the close this evening. But as I mentioned on Friday's video, my trade at the moment, I bought at 1800. I'm going to cut my losses at 1750, and I'm targeting 1900. So that's a wonderful risk reward ratio of 1/2. So very, very good in terms of that. So we haven't yet triggered my stop loss at 1750. So this trade is still live. So I'm a buyer of gold as we speak. Going into Tuesday session, I'm looking for a bounce in the markets. I really want the big players in this market. So the big money managed firms like the hedge funds, the banks, for example, to offer some support and to do some heavy buying here in the gold markets. We really need to see a positive candlestick on a daily basis. Once we get that, that's when a lot of the retail traders will then jump back in, and this should send this market back up towards 1900. The technicals are under pressure at the moment, but the fundamentals are still looking very strong to me. We still need a second stimulus deal, and I believe that we will get one before January. So I am bullish. Once we do get that second stimulus deal, that's what will then send gold flying back towards its all-time high. So for that reason, I'm a buyer. No interest in selling. The RSI indicates that we're oversold as well. So to me, that tells me that there's only a matter of time now until we do see a bounce here in the gold market. So for that reason, I'm a buyer. 1900 is my target, and I will cut my losses at 1750. I'm a buyer.
You